So if you're ready to retire your 9 to 5 and make 2025 the last year you end up working for a typical 9 to 5 and be able to do whatever you want, whether it's um, travel or go on that vacation you've been dreaming about your whole life, or get an RV, or whatever it might be. 2025 can be your year. The last year you do this because of the bonuses that we have in our system. Now, my name is John Solid, aka JJ Solid, aka Yo Friendly Neighborhood Solid Man, and this is Affiliate Mentor 2025. If you've heard about it, maybe you've gotten some emails about it, but you definitely want to join our team, because I've been spending so much time in the last few days with my mentor, and he's going to train our people. Not your people, my people, your people's people, etc. All you got to do is buy the traffic and plug them into this system. Is one of our bonuses. The team system is going to train your people completely. And he's not only that, but Justin is going to make sure they understand. He's going to keep them on task and make sure, basically with the videos and calls, etc. He's put an insane amount of time into me. And it's not just a one-off. I'm not special. He'll do that for your people. Like, he follows up with me, he keeps me on task. He's making sure we're meeting on Zoom, we're doing lives, we're going over everything over and over and over again until he knows I have it. This is an insane value. I think he undervalues it, honestly. Not only that, but we're going to put you in my rotator, depending on what level you buy at. And I will help get you leads, traffic, and sales. And we'll build your rotator. This is another bonus from joining. As long as you get to the right level. Now, this rotator is going to get you leads, sales, traffic, and build your list and build a rapport so that people know, like, and trust you. Now, why is Traffic Authority so very vital? Because it's one of the best, if not the best, traffic program around. It's going to get you high quality, high tier clicks, and is a high converting system. They've been doing this for decades. They're basically traffic gurus. And if you don't have traffic, if you can't get the butts in the seat, the eyeballs on your offer, you're dead in the water. It doesn't matter what you're promoting, or who your mentor is, or what the compensation plan is, etc., etc. You need to get the eyeballs on your offer. And what if I told you there's a way to get paid even if people click on your offer but don't buy? And also double that the amount you make every time somebody clicks on your offer, even if they don't buy. What? Yeah, you heard me right. But also, there's also a way with this program to get your clicks and your traffic, your leads, etc., for half off. And depending on what traffic you buy package, there's also guaranteed leads and sales. Yeah, you heard me right. Depending on the package, there are a certain amount of guaranteed leads and sales. Now, who's offering that? I'm still waiting. The Traffic Authority is behind this program, which is Affiliate Mentor. And 2025, this is going to be around for a long time. Traffic Authority has been around for a long time, and they're who's launching this. So we have the best bonuses. Like, we have the rotator, we have the team training site, which is going to train your people. And you have access to me and my mentor, especially my mentor, because I work a 9 to 5. And he is the best trainer I've ever seen. Seriously, he has spent so much time with me, making sure I've got everything. And 90% of it is him reaching out to me. Not me reaching out to him, it's him reaching out to me. Let's meet. What time you off? Let's get on a live. And it's proven dividends. And it's not just me ranking my videos with only a little tiny bit of the training I have. This is copy and paste simple, by the way, but it's super complex. It's exactly which keywords to use, exactly what to do step by step by step. But will also get on calls with you. And also, there's another part of the training, depending on which level you are, where we meet day in and day out. And he will help you build your business in these live meetings. No matter what business you're building, he'll help you. Nobody else is going to do that. You want to join Traffic Authority's main program, which is Affiliate Mentor in 2025. It's a no-brainer. Really, traffic is key, and they are traffic gurus, and we have the best bonuses, the best team, and our team is ranking all over YouTube. My first video, when I only used a smidgen of the tricks and his step-by-step themes, it ranked, second overall or third overall for one keyword, fifth overall for another keyword. Then I was checking other keywords. It's ranked all over, my first video. And then my second video, which I did all by myself, was ranked number one in 4 different categories and number 2 in a 5th category. And I'm only using a smidgen of his training. It's detailed, step by step by step. And his first video is, I think, an hour long, step by step, anybody can understand. You need to get in this system. It will build any business you want. And he's got multiple ways of doing this. He's on that next level, seriously. And he is the type of mentor I've dreamed about being with. Seriously. Dreamed about it. And he's better than I ever expected and wanted. That's not no fluff. That's not no bullshit. That's the serious 411. He is the best person I've ever dealt with, by far. It's not even close. And there's another one that I'm in a program right now, and he's investing in me too. But this guy is just head and shoulders. No offense. He's going to train your people and build your business. And he's going to motivate you, and he's going to teach you, and he's going to teach your people, and he's going to teach your people's people. That's how organizations are built. Period. It's basically having a clone army that's trained exactly what to do. And I bet I'm about 90% sure that what he's going to teach you, you don't know. And YouTube and Google is evergreen traffic. You're not going to consistently have to keep on doing this because all these videos are going to be done always there. And they're going to keep getting hits. And you're going to keep getting traffic from each video. For years, months, years, days, decades to come. I don't know what to say. The Affiliate Mentor is the system in 2025 and beyond. This is John Solid, aka JJ Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood Solid man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.